My dear students, your English teacher Wahida is back to continue the explanation of the poem The March of Animals. As I told you in the previous session that all the animals in the poem have gathered to their king and they are having lots of complaint against the human beings. Where the doe, hare, elephant, and tiger just share their views about the behavior of human beings with all the animals of the forest. As we all know that the forest is the home for all the animals. So let us see what the other animals in the poem want to tell their king. Let us begin with the seventh stanza. Let's do the same for each one's sake, said the clever fox, and each one take some posters to their lots and stake. We will walk and walk till our legs do ache. Here in this stanza, the clever fox wants all the animals to carry the posters in their hands with some slogans and go for a walk or strike, and they are not going to stop till their legs are going to pain. Your ache means pain. The tailor bird stitched leaves together. The crow wrote slogans with a feather. To bamboos, then they did this thither, saved them from sun and stormy weather. As the tailor bird stitched the leaves, the crow helped the tailor bird to write the slogans with a feather, and they tied thither means tie. They tied the bamboos and just they have been saved from the sun or the stormy weather. Next para. They all set out a determined band through forest, by stream, and over grassland, joined by animals both humble and grand, all set and ready to take up a firm stand. All the animals they determined themselves and in a group they started walking through the forest, by stream, and over the grassland. All the animals, both humble and grand or mild animals, they joined together and they started to walk, and they were stick towards what they wanted for. Next, they assembled near a city, each one dazed. Each one now was completely dismayed. Each one aghast at their decision, amazed. Each one now terrified and afraid. Here, when the animals assembled near the city, all the human beings were dazed. Dazed means confused. Each one now was completely dismayed. Dismayed means they were sad and upset. Each one aghast at their decisions, amazed. They were just horrified and shocked. Each one now terrified and afraid. By seeing their decisions, they were afraid. All the human beings were afraid. Next, how had they conjured up a plan so brave that could easily take them to the grave? Squeaked the lowly mouse, your attention I crave. Why stop and wait when there are souls to save? Here, all the humans were just thinking how the animals could make such a big, brave plan that could take them easily or make them to be in danger. Your grave means danger. Squeaked the lowly mouse, your attention I crave. Then suddenly the mouse said them, I want your attention, please. Please see to me also. Listen to me. Why stop and wait when there are souls to save? When we are walking or when we are marching together, why animals should stop this? When if we do this, many animals can be saved. Next, a fire they marched on, they were so near, their posters aloft, saying loud and clear, If you value this planet and all that dear, you will stop all distractions and remove all fear. When the animals marched in the city, their posters aloft means were held up high, and which were clear, loud and clear, and it was a message for the human beings that if you value the planet, then surely we will stop all the distractions and everyone will be safe. Next, the men, the women, the young, the old, mouths agape at a sight to behold. Never had such a story been told, never had animals been so bold. All the human beings of all the ages, men, women, young, and old, they were like mouths agape, means as if they are seeing something for the first time with mouth open, and they have never seen or listened a story of animals being so bold. Last stanza. Let us set humankind, all say, take a pledge and solemnly pray to save our earth and all on its that stay, and wake each morn to a better day. In the last stanza, all the human beings are saying that they will take a pledge, individually take a pledge and pray that they are going to save our earth, and so that each morning, each morning when they get up, it could be a better day for them.